them. I've not watched all of them because the storyline started doing my head in. But I started watching it just because it was in the van.
Tell her about when you came to my mum's house.
Go on.
So I went to Old Hampton Valley.
Yeah.
You came to my mum's, we're all sat in back garden.
Yeah. They're having a barbecue for the Tour de France, you know,
Yeah.
with crew.
Yeah.
And I was like, kept making Happy Valley jokes, like, oh, is it all like that around you, this, that, and the other, you know?
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, when's the police coming? Where's the kidnap? And then we're all sitting there, and then these armed policemen, not armed policemen,
No
fully
way.
dressed policemen, all just strolled through into
Walk
the
through my
house.
house. Walk through my house.
And I was like,
What to do with Happy Valley?
Mrs. Johnson